is how to become a backend developer. If you're a complete beginner who is just getting started, you can start by learning backend programming language such as Perl, Ruby, Java, Go, etc. So I know Node.js, I know Golang, like Node.js means JavaScript. So that's, I think, knowing a language, and I know, like, if saying I know making backends in Golang and Node.js, if you tell me about syntax, then I know C++, I know Java, I know Python. Um, yeah, so three more languages there. So yeah, but making backends, I have done them in Golang and um, JavaScript. So once you have got the basic or intermediate language, you can learn or package manager. So like Golang uses GitHub as its package manager. So like you do Go modinate, you like import the package into your project, and it is through GitHub, and then through the link, and it does that. Node obviously has npm. Rust has, I think, what do they call, Rust? Uh, uh, Cargo. Rust has cargo, and what does Java have? I'm not sure about Java. Python has PIP, I guess, something like that. I don't remember exactly. Uh, but pip install. We do pip install in Python, so I think it's pip. And yeah, so that's let me just try to explain these topics also. So you learn about package managers. So package managers, what do package managers do? Okay, so package managers are basically, let's say you don't want to create everything from start. If you are making a product, the best thing is to use somebody else's work and not reinvent the wheel. And that's where package managers come in play. So package managers allow you to use those package, and they manage the versioning, the running of those package, and you can use those package. And so that's what package managers do. Learn the basic of some relational database. So example, Postgres. Yeah, so I know how to do CRUD operations using database. I know transactions. I know creating views, I think, and yeah, some more things. Like if you tell me the topic, I know that how they basically work, and so yeah, I have sufficient good college level knowledge. Optionally, you can pick up and learn a web framework for language of your choice as well. Um, Actually, on Golang, I don't like using a framework. I like using the native Golang HTTP package. But on obviously JavaScript, we use Node.js. Node.js is quite popular runtime. Uh, Learn, is Node.js a framework? I don't think Node.js is a framework. Express is also, yeah, Express could be a frame. Express is also a library, I guess. Yeah. Learn how to build simple RESTful APIs and implement simple authentication authorization into it. So, or you can, for authentication authorization, you can learn about OAuth and OpenID Connect, and so which will help you understand the standards for authentication and authorization, and also you can like implement a login with Google and login with like places where you want. While you are learning all of these items mentioned about, don't forget to learn about GitHub. Obviously, like the first thing a developer should learn is GitHub. I think because when you are like you need to save your work, you need to show it around to progress anywhere, and GitHub is that place, is that tool and place to do that. After following the instructions above, you can start applying to entry-level backend developer jobs. Also look at backend developer roadmaps about about to get an idea about the landscape and see what else you are missing. I don't think that is true right now. Right now, they expect, like, especially right now in India, they expect much more than you knowing how to create a backend. Even if you are good at it, even if you know all these topics, they might reject you because someone knows uh, load balancing, or someone can well explain um, monoliths and microservices, uh, throttling, I don't know, graceful degradation, load shifting, or I don't know, circuit breakers. But yeah, so if these topics, someone knows that's a big advantage, and you can have much more things to talk about. So it's always helpful to try to know all the topics. You might not remember everything, no one does, but at least you know that they exist, and then you can look it up while you work. Uh, After following, yeah, a degree in computer science and or related field is always mm, not always necessary, but networking, building a portfolio, and activity seeking internship, junior developers positions or consulting can help you start and advance a career as a backend developer. I don't agree that a degree is not helpful. I think a degree is very less appreciated. I think that degrees do provide a tangible benefit, tangible advantage to the user, and I think they are actually like very beneficial. Note, remember to make a lot of projects. Yeah, and mm, learning to solidify your understanding of concept. Also, it's important to have the attitude of continuous learning to improve your skills and be prepared for last phase technology. And that's what we are doing.